Here, I'm back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from a new Canadian small batch breed company called Caribou Beard Co. So yeah, they sent these products out for me to test and review. Use non-affiliate code TheTruth10 to save 10% on all Caribou Beard Co products. Check out their website and Instagram link down below, as well as Bryan, who's the owner. Yeah, I'll have his Instagram and YouTube channel linked down below as well. Check him out. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to discuss some company info, the products available, the scents available, the ingredients in the oil and the balm, because that's what I have here to unbox. I'm going to unbox these products and share my first impressions on the scents and the labels and the packaging and all that. Yeah, and then we'll wrap this video up with a final conclusion. Let's talk about Caribou Beard Co. Alrighty, so the owner is Bryan, aka Beard Guy Bry on YouTube. He's a beard product reviewer who decided to try his hand at making his own beard products and starting his own small batch beard company called Caribou Beard Co. And Caribou Beard Co was announced on March 31st, 2022, and then launched on April 18th, also this year. And Caribou Beard Co is based in St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador, which is in Canada, and it's a small batch company, and all the products are handmade. Let's talk about the products that Caribou Beard Co sells. Alrighty, so currently Caribou Beard Co sells a 1 ounce beard oil, which is $24.99 Canadian, and a 2 ounce beard balm, which is also $24.99, and then a 4 ounce beard butter, which is $30. So yeah, 3 products so far, but definitely stay tuned for more, which I'm sure Bryan will come up with along the road. Next, let's talk about the scents available. Alrighty, so the 2 scents that are available so far from Caribou Beard Co are Alpine Breeze, which is patchouli, frankincense, cedarwood, spruce trees, and spearmint, and then Evergreen is cedarwood and balsam fir, and then they also have an unscented for the oil, the balm, and the butter, as well as all these scents in oil, balm, and butter. Next, let's talk about the ingredients in the oil and the balm. Alrighty, so starting off with the beard oil, so it's argan oil, jojoba seed oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and then essential oils for scent. And in the balm, it's shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, argan oil, jojoba seed oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and vitamin E oil. Next, let's talk about these products that I got here. Alrighty, so let's unbox these products. And once again, thanks to Bryan from Caribou Beard Co for sending me these products to test and review. Like I said, use code TheTruth10 to save 10%. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into this little box here. Yeah, let's talk about these products. Alrighty, so you got these nice paper wood shaving sort of looking things, which I have seen before. So definitely a good way to keep them protected. So first, you've got the unscented beard balm right there, 2 ounce, really cool plastic containers. Yeah, nice and smooth. That's very cool. Looks like the beard balm didn't quite melt to the sides, and it's kind of a bit loose in the container. Oh yeah, that's interesting. Never seen that before, but it's been hot here, so obviously going from different climates, so I'm sure that's what caused it. But yeah, just noticed that. It's interesting. And then next we've got Evergreen. That's what the bottle looks like. Nice white bottle. I don't know if I've ever seen any company using nice labels on there. 1 ounce bottles. And then let's get that last scent. So there's a note, some kind of instructions. Oh, and a sticker. Almost forgot that. Trying not to make too much of a mess. There you go. Really cool Caribou Beard Co sticker. Definitely pretty nice. Yeah, so that's the unboxing experience. Let's talk about these scents. Alright, so first, before we get to that, there's a my instruction, like my small business. Really appreciate it. Your viewers can use code TheTruth10 for 10% off from Bryan. Yeah, so code TheTruth10 saves you 10%. It's not an affiliate code, just a discount code for you guys. Yeah, let's talk about these scents. So first we got Evergreen, which, like I said, is cedarwood and balsam fir, I believe. Alright, there we go. Let's give that a shake. Oh, nice yellow color to it. nice. Just straightforward, woodsy. Reminds me of Christmas. Oh yeah, I'm gonna enjoy that. That's awesome. And then next we have Alpine Breeze, which includes patchouli and frankincense and some other things, like I mentioned both clips ago. Yeah, really interesting scents. Definitely fit with the outdoorsy sort of theme that Bryan was going for with this company. Definitely interested to see what other scents that he comes up with over time. Yeah, let's check out Alpine Breeze. Ooh, it's like the patchouli's in there, but it's subtle. I think I get the frankincense. It's like a warm, sort of earthy, like, that smells nice. I like that. I'm excited to get these in beard. Gonna start testing tomorrow. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so one more thanks to Bryan from Caribou Beard Co for sending out these products for me to test and review. Use non-affiliate code TheTruth10 to save 10% on all Caribou Beard Co products. Check out Caribou Beard Co.'s website and Instagram, which are linked down below. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below about your thoughts on this video. And let me know if you're planning on trying Caribou Beard Co. because they are a pretty new company. Yeah, thanks again. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.